Watch out!
What's going on, people? It's your boy MrBucketlist, and here we are today at Volcano Bay. This is a quick review of the premium seating. Right here you actually have your menu, so if you want to order some food or drinks, you have your menu already there. What you'll have to do is raise up a little flag and they pretty much come and check it out for you, the flag right there. Now let's check out the little lock box that they have. So it's kind of like a mini locker. It comes with a lock and a key. You don't have to pay extra for it. It's actually pretty big. I was surprised. So my entire book bag, even though nothing was really in there, fits in there. You can easily fit a lot of different stuff in there. It wouldn't be a problem. So like I said, that part's included. And then this is your actual view from the seat. Now the view is really good. You're not directly in front of the volcano. You do have some rows in front of you. But like I said, you can kind of get a view of the volcano. You got your shade. You can see me just back there chilling. And then this is the flag I was talking about here that you raise pretty much when you want to have an order of food that comes through. Just hang it up and then it'll come right away. And this is some of the food that I got. These wings were actually extremely good. I was really surprised. I ended up getting seconds because they were so good. And a quick view of the food and my view. Like I said, perfect, right in front of the volcano. And then the last thing I want to show you is what you'll have to actually get in. It's a little wristband, the little green one right there that has your last name on it. And then of course your tapu for the rides and stuff. But that's it. So to answer the question, is it worth it or not? In my opinion, no. It's definitely something I would just go ahead and pass on, at least for the time period I went, which was Veterans Day weekend, which is in November. It's still hot, but literally no one was at the park. There was so many open seats and better views of the volcano. It's like, don't waste your time. The only thing that I really did like was the food and the lock boxes. Everything else wasn't worth it, paying $60 for something I really didn't need. So no, like I said, just pass on it. I hope you watch this video and you at least got a gist of what it's like, but definitely give it a pass. Anyway, let's check out the ending and see you next time. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.